Hello everyone, in this video we'll be showing you how to use the special effects from Reels that you see on Instagram. So when you click on the Reels button, you may see that you have all kinds of different Reels that some of them use special effects, like the Giga Chat for example, or the little pause, etc. Or just some different filters, So when you watch a Reel, and you want to find a reel that, for example, has some kind of special effect on it, and you want to use the effect on yourself, you can just click on the bottom right here. And this works for anything. You can use the video, you can use the sound, you can use the special effect, depending on what they're using for it. And via that, you can use it on your own as well. But if you just want to create it, you can just click on the top right where it says create, and you will get your video, and click on effects, and here you can select all the different effects that you want for, or you can just search them, and there you go. And this is how you pretty much can add all the effects to your Instagram. Pretty simple, right? Well, we hope this helped you, and see you next time. If you did, like and subscribe. Have a nice day!